By the end of this video, you'll completely understand what the yield keyword in Python does, how it works, and why it's so powerful. Let's start simple. First, imagine you have a normal function that just returns a list. 1, 2, 3. It finishes instantly and gives you the whole list at once. Now, if you replace that return statement with a few yields, something magical happens. Instead of returning everything at once, the function starts giving you one item at a time. It doesn't end, it pauses, and waits for you to ask for the next value. So when we print that function, instead of seeing a list, we get something called a generator. Think of it as a machine that generates values on demand instead of handing you the whole package at once. Now, if you loop over that generator, say with a simple for loop, you'll see each number printed one by one. Each time the loop runs, Python goes back into the function, continues from where it left off, hits the next yield, gives you the next value, and pauses again. It's like watching a TV show one episode at a time instead of downloading the entire season. Let's go a bit deeper. Imagine a function that prints step 1, then yields a value. Later it prints step 2, and yields another value. If we use the next function, the first call runs until the first yield, and then it stops. The second call continues from there, prints step 2, and gives the next result. See what's happening? Yield doesn't just send data, it remembers the exact point where the function stopped and resumes from there. That's something return could never do. Once a function returns, it's gone for good. Now let's make this practical. Imagine you have a text file and you want to read it line by line. The normal way would be to read the entire file into memory at once, maybe using something like readlines. That's fine for a small file. But if the file is huge, your memory is going to explode. Not good. This is where yield becomes a superhero. Instead of reading the whole file, you can open it and yield each line, one at a time. Now, Python only keeps one line in memory at any moment. Each time you call next, it reads the next line, gives it to you, and waits. It's efficient, elegant, and super memory friendly. You can even stop whenever you want. You don't have to go through the entire file. That's the beauty of generators. You stay in control. So, here's the big picture. Return gives you everything at once. Boom, done. Yield gives you one piece at a time and remembers where it left off. That makes it perfect for streaming data, processing large files, or just writing cleaner, more efficient code. Once you understand yield, you'll start seeing places to use it everywhere, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out the free Python courses in the courses section of the channel. And if you'd like to support us, you can join the channel or simply subscribe to stay tuned for more lessons. As always, keep learning, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one.